Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have essentials ready, PAN, Aadhaar, and the mobile phone active for OTP. Now open the NSDL or URIETSL PAN service page or the income tax e-filing portal and select Change/Correction in PAN data or mobile update. Enter your 10-digit mobile and 10-character PAN exactly as shown on the card. Choose Aadhaar-based eKYC if available. This speeds verification. Once done, request OTP to the mobile. Do not navigate away while waiting for the SMS. After requesting OTP, enter it promptly and confirm the displayed PAN details. Name, DOB, and father's name match exactly. If the portal asks, upload scanned identity or address proofs. Follow file type and size limits to avoid rejection. If this is a correction or reissue, complete payment using the stated modes and note the transaction ID. Once you submit, the portal returns an acknowledgement number. Save or screenshot it. That acknowledgement is essential to track progress and to raise any follow-ups. Finalize by tracking the acknowledgement number on the same portal. You'll get an SMS or email once the mobile is linked and PAN record updated. Download or print the updated PAN acknowledgement for your records. If the update doesn't reflect in 7-15 days, contact portal support or visit a TIN facilitation center with the acknowledgement and ID. Troubleshooting tip. If OTPs aren't arriving, confirm the mobile is active, not on DND, and registered with Aadhaar. Then retry or use an alternate verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.